Okay, hello everyone. Um, Sorry, we just had some technical issue, and now we are back on live. Um, yeah, again, I want to try. Let me say thank you, and Merry Christmas for everyone, especially those friends and team and friends and clients support us through all this year. I want to say thank you for everyone. Um, so today we're gonna mainly gonna talk about some history of our company, um, and I think a lot of people ask about this question. So f- first, my name is Casey. Sorry for forgot introducing myself. Um, I'm the founder of btminers, um, and I when I talk with a lot of people, people ask me how you get into crypto. So first, I want to share a story, like how I got into crypto. Back, I think like most of people um, back in 2013 when I was studying in University of Florida. I think that's around the first time um, all the news and news and media's start reporting Bitcoin. And at that time, I start get to get to know Bitcoin, especially that story that some guy spent tens of $1,000 um, on the pizza, right? So at that time, back in 2013, um, I was still thinking like Bitcoin, like as coins in the video game. Um, so maybe you can like spend those coins on to buy um, some tools in the game, like weapons or guns in the game. But it. I was I don't at that time I don't really think the Bitcoin can be big. Hey, hello. Yeah, thanks for joining. I'm Casey, by the way. Um, so back in 2013, I started to know Bitcoin, but personally, I don't really trust. I didn't spend much time to look into Bitcoin, and I do not have much trust on Bitcoin. And like I remember like few months later after I heard about Bitcoin, um, some media start reporting, some hackers hacking to some exchange and stole the Bitcoin from that exchange. And I was like, nah, it's too dangerous to keep Bitcoin. Um, so I didn't. I even though I heard about it, I didn't buy in at that time. Till 2017. At that time, 2017, I already graduated from University of Florida and started working there. You need some deals on the hi. You need some deals on the Jazz Miner. Accepting pre-orders for the new. Um, I think, but can you
哎，
just a second?
我没有听明白你。
Why you like Jazz Miner X4 so much? Can I ask? Um, I know that Jazz Miner is mining Ethereum Classic, um, but you know, for the moment, there is um, two other machines, other ETC miners, it have much better features. It can mine. It can mine Ethereum Classic and Zero together. Like you can get two cryptos at the same time, but um, I think there are a few of mining pool is supporting that. But the thing is, it requires the machines to have um, minimum 5.8 or 6 gigabytes. Um, Forest miner is not efficient enough. But the thing is, forest miner can mine zero and um, can mine Ethereum Classic and zero at the same time. Um, I'm not sure. We are running a few of the um, we are running a few of the um, forest miner for the moment, and we are also testing the iPolo B1 um, 3.6 gigahash. Yes. Um, those I think Forest Miner can run full hash rates both on Ethereum Classic and ZIL. Let me type it here. Yeah. So, so basically, like it's like Dogecoin and the Litecoin. You're getting two cryptos at the same time. Um, for Forest Miner, we already finished testing it. You can mine Ethereum Classic and ZIL at the same time. So you pretty much get your profit doubled. But for just miner X4, it's definitely not going to working. Um, I believe for the new X16, it can work. But it like I don't want like make promise or anything. Um, Once this new machine comes out, we will well once the new machine comes out, we were testing it and let everybody know. Um, so at this moment, if you are telling me you are choosing Jazz Miner X4, um, I would say yeah, we do provide this machine, and we can give you discounts. So today's discount is X. Um, we do have a discount code for this live event. Let me type it here. So if you try apply for Christmas Xmas um, 2020, um, you can use this code today, and you can get a $50 discount on any of your order. Um, so it's just for today. But yeah, I need to see the deal mining numbers for of myself yet possible to do live for 24 hours. Um, let me see if I can. Let me see if I um, can get you the pool information because it's our first time to go live. So for the moment, I haven't figured out a way to let you guys to see the screen. Um, but um, let me quickly see if it's possible to get the screen of the mining pool. Let me first log into the mining pool and see if I can see the data. Um, the mining pool that we use for double mining is K1 pool. Uh, Let me see. Let me see. How is the logistic situation with the current shipment? Um, Hi, Shippy. Let me just give me a few minutes. I'm trying to log into the mining pool and see if I can get you to see the mining pool. And for the crypto accountant, logistics situation with the current shipment. Are you trying to asking about the KA3 and for those pre-orders? Because right now the logistic, I mean, the China is having a hard time. Um, Fighting with the COVID because like right now everything is opened up. So I mean, for example, like everybody is getting COVID. For example, um, last week um, for our whole company, it's like only like two people from our team can get to the office and work there. Um, okay, okay. For K7. Yes, um, we haven't heard any updates from Bitmain yet. Um, is still the schedule time is still by end of December. So that's the means of December batch. So according to the schedule, is still by end of December. Um, Probably, I would say expect the last day of December. But if there will be a delay, we haven't heard any delay notification from Bitmain yet. Um, but we will see. We will see next week. Um, I think they have K3, they have K7, and they have H3, HS3. Those three are new um, autocoin miners. Um, Once we get updates, we will email you guys and we will, let everybody know. And also, I'm not sure if you guys have any Bitcoin miners like S19. Um, Bitman recently released the new firmware for S19 Pro, S9, all the nights S19 series. So that will help improve efficiency by about like 10%, which means you can get they can consume 10% less energy and generate same amount of hash rate. Um, Not for XP yet. Um, I like personally, I think um, pretty much all Bitmain machines are supposed to have some sort of room for overclocking. Um, but yeah, not for XP yet. Um, but let me talk to the team um, to my people and see if we can figure out a way to overclock XP. Ah, I see. Yeah, I think yeah, XP should be able to have some rooms for overclock. Um, but yeah, things um, like for this year, the Bitcoin is really tough. The the crypto price dropped from like 60K to nowadays like around 17K. Um, I talk with if I buy first miner today. What is the best price? Okay, let me quickly check uh, forest miner. Let me first let me quickly show you my screen the I'm not sure how to share. It's really annoying. It's my first time to to use YouTube Live, so I know they don't show me. Okay, uh, we haven't got notification from Bitmain yet, but the scheduled time is still by end of this month for the moment. So like normally, if Bitmain keep their schedule, they were shipping out the K3 by end of by 31st, and once we receive, we will ship out immediately. Is that a common or unique for Bitmain regarding the firmware? Um, I don't. Um, for I want and another thing about Bitmain's firmware is they have a they have another firmware to run the machine with a lower hash rate, but even better efficiency. Um, so if you go to Bitmain's website, bitmain.com, and if you go to firmware download page, um, you will be able to see the new firmware, and below that new firmware, there will be another firmware called um, let me quickly check. Um, a new firmware that can transit firmware to a low power mode firmware. So in that case, um, the miner can run at lower hash rates but keep even better efficiency. So this function is very useful, especially in the bear market, um, because if you for some of people they get a very expensive electricity, um, so run at the um, higher hash rates, it may not generate a lot of profit to cover the electricity cost. So if they can run at a lower hash rate but better efficiency, it can improve their cash flow a lot. So I really recommend everyone, especially who owns S19 or S19 Pro, and they run at relatively expensive electricity. They can give a try on those new firmware. And from my knowledge, Bitman always have some miners from Bitman always have some rooms for overclock. Um, yeah, for the yeah, I'm on the page. Um, I'm on the page of K1 mining pool, but I really don't know how to show you guys of this page. So let me quickly take a picture, um, and let me see if I can show you my camera. Um, um, can you see this? Nah, it's a reverse, but you can see this first miner is for FOX01. Here the first is Ethereum Classic hash rate is 3.62, and the zero hash rate is 4.4 gigahash. So it's mining two coins um, at the same time, but the hash rate is a little different. Um, to be honest, if you mine two coins. At the same time, the Ethereum Classic hash rate might get a little lower, but I mean, overall profit is higher, so you're getting paid more. Um, for for the forest miner, let me quickly check what is the price for forest miner right now. Um, yeah, 59.99. Um, 5,999. Um, and today's Christmas. It's a it's a hard time. Um, for KD6, let me. This is a good question. Let me talk. Um, I think GoldShare have some room for o'clock. Um, good. Okay. What about five? I think this is my I'm giving you $300 discount for um forest miner. Um, and for KD6 overclock, um, let me quickly give a call to um, go to share. Oh, it's already like 11 o'clock. Let me talk to the boss of the sales manager of the Go Share. Um, um, let me quickly text him and see if we can get a quick answer. Let me. What's your account ID? Let me send me your account ID, and I will create a coupon for you. Can I ask like how much electricity do you have? How much electricity costs that you're having in your place? Oh, that's a very good price actually. You run it from your home or from some hosting place? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, that's very nice. You got cheap electricity. Um, Maybe next year our team we need to send some of our team to go find the cheap electricity in in Canada. Yeah, I'm Casey. I'm in charge of btminers in China. Right now, I'm living in China right now. Um, and Lena, she is in charge of our office in US in New York. Um, but yeah, we are planning to attend Bitcoin 2023 next year. Um, we're planning to join Bitcoin 2023 next year in Miami, and if you guys had a chance to come to Miami next year, I think the exact time is around. Uh, let me quickly check the exact time of Bitcoin 2023 event. I think it's around like May 25th, 24th. May, oh, real. Oh, May 18 to May 20. So if you guys get a chance to come to Miami next year, yeah, next year, next May, we may meet at the event in person. Yeah, Forest Miner is what was my account number? Um, if you log in and on the top right corner, or you can give me your email address, your account email address. Um, I see. Okay, let me quickly. um, Just 1 second. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, Jonathan. Okay. Okay, the discount code is um, this this discount code is specified just for you. So yeah, you can give it a try. Okay. So yeah, just give it a try. If you meet any issue, just let me know. Um, can if you need someone to hosting in Canada, please talk to me first. I'm getting better power yet. Maybe I'll go to classic power if you're going to send someone. Yeah, definitely, definitely. May I ask which location you're at? You're more close to the Vancouver or um, the the East Coast, Toronto, right? Um, yeah, we recently had our first 1,000 tower. Okay, okay, then no problem, no problem. I think we were. I will go to um, I'm go to US early next year. Um, and yeah, I will also spend some time in Canada. I try. Um, Recently, we had our first hosting facility in New York. Um, the reason is it's more close to our office, and we want to, you know, um, it's more close and more access, more easier to get access to, and um, after um, after our first facility is operating good, we were connecting with more facilities and provide more hosting place um, for all of our clients, and also we'll also put many of our own machines, and um, also we are partnered with many a manufacturer, and they also have some machines that they want to host. So yeah, thanks so much. Yeah, I know. Yeah, Lena is and Leah is very very good, very good teammates, and they did a lot of good works. But thanks, and thanks supporting us. Um, so back to our first story. We were um, I got to the time that I really started investing in Bitcoin is back in 2017. At that time, um, I was in Tampa, University of Florida. I went to school in University of Florida. That was in Gainesville. It's a small college town, and after that, I moved to Tampa, Florida, and I remember 2017 is another booming of it's a booming after a Bitcoin halving. So the time I invested was the Bitcoin price was around like $8,000. So it's kind of not the peak, but it's still we can still consider like high points of Bitcoin um, at that time. Um, so I think I bought like five Bitcoins, and after that, the Bitcoin price was keep dropping um, till I remember I checked like and at the end of the 2018, the it's a at that time it was another boom bear market. The price was go went down to like $3,000. So pretty much only one third of the price I buy. So like sometimes I would like to compare um, this bear market with the last bear market. Because if you think this way, right now Bitcoin is like $17,000, which is also around like one third of the high point of the high the of Bitcoin price at the bull market. So personally, I think it's already the bottom of this bear market now. Um, of course, some people may say um, some people may say like um, Bitcoin still at the high price. It can go further down. Um, yes, we received the order, and we will keep you posted once we ship it out. So it's yeah. For just quick remind, if you want to mine two coins together, um, use K1 pool. Yes, use Z1 pool to mine TC and ZIL together. Um, so sometimes I like still like to compare with this market with the last bear market. Um, and if you try look at the time frame from last bear market, is I believe it's around. Um, Let me quickly pull out the trend. Um, uh, uh, Use phone probably be better. By the way, we are also developing our own mobile app to. It's not for buying miners. It's something that we want to share all the data and informations um, with um, with all of our clients. So um, you can use the mobile app to check out the trend and history and some strategies um, miners can use. Also, soon we will be able to provide financing for miners and miner hosting. So um, yeah, that's our plan. We try to be the best support for all the community. So in terms of the Bitcoin price, let me quickly check the last bear the time frame of last bear market. It's um, from November. It's also from November 2018 to we may consider like March or end of March 2019. So if you, I I know this is not very logical, but um, the bottom, uh, I like to try to compare the time frame of this bear market with the last bear market. So if they match, if they match together, um, the bear market, the bottom of the bear market is from November this year to March next year. So I think this is the hardest time. Um, and after March of next year, the whole market will get better. And yeah, I think no matter for investing in crypto, and also for mining crypto, I think things will getting better. And at the bottom, you can choose. I think it's a good time to choose to start investing. Um, I would say for mining industry, especially for crypto industry, it's like when you investing in the bear market and you get your investment return, you see the result and get profit in in the in the bull market. Um, but I think that's a right way to investing in the crypto. But I mean, it's a I don't think most of people will follow this way, even though like even for the stock market is the same. You need to buy, like everybody know that you need to buy at the bottom of the market, and when this go up, you can sell it and you can make money out of it. But you get you but like no matter how many times it happens, how many crises, how many like circles the stock market go up and down, like people still buy at the high price and sell at the low price. um I mean, that's how market it is. Come back to the crypto, the same. We need to start investing in the bear markets and then get get and sell it at the bull market, and that's the right way to make money out of crypto. And now at the high points, if you, I mean, that's how it is. Um, so so at that time I buy Bitcoin, and after buy Bitcoin at the 2017, I experienced after that I experienced a lot of things in my life. I changed my career. I changed my life. I moved back to China, so a lot of things happened to me. So even though the Bitcoin dropped a lot, um, I didn't sell it at the time, and I just kind of forgot it, left in the account. At that time, I used Coinbase. It's it's most of one of the most trusted exchange in the United States. So after I moved back to China, and a lot of things happened, and till um, 2020 when the um, another Bitcoin halving happened, I start backing to um, get back into crypto, and I start um, look at my account again and um, start buying again, and yes, and things start getting better by end of 2020. That's my story with the Bitcoin. Um, I mean, sometimes I think I need to say thank you to the hard time I experienced um, in 2019, because if it is not because of the hard time I'm having at that time, I probably already sold all my Bitcoins at that time. So um, that's something I also like to share with you guys. Right now, if you are experiencing a hard time in crypto, if you are thinking of selling off your cryptos um, in the bear market, I would say try your best to hold it as long as possible. Um, and so if you look at the time frame, the next halving, Bitcoin halving is 2024. Um, should be around May of 2024. Um, so it's still, um, let's say, one 1.5 years. So try try hold on to it. If you really need to sell, try sell um, at least 5 months later, because um, before March is the hardest time. Is the most difficult time. Is um, it's the bottom of Bitcoin price, and if you sell at this time, you are really it's really going to be painful. Um, okay, I think today this is all I like to share with you. Still, my leave time is from is 1 hour, but if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask. Uh, oh, my name is Casey. Casey. Um, yeah, sure. Um, what do you want me to say? I haven't sent you something. Okay. Um, let me try find out your email address. Uh, just 1 second. Can you send to store@btminers.com so that I can reply you, or I can reply. You said about financing. Is there a program right now? I know yes, I'll be using your hosting program, but will be interested in using funding um, program. Yes, we can we can provide financing to you. Let me quickly. Do you mind to leave your email address? Let me quickly talk to the team, and because we're still trying to figure out we're still figuring out the process with the legal team, um, on like what kind of process we're gonna having of providing the financing. But yes, if you're hosting with us, definitely we can provide certain percent of hosting, a certain percent of financing to you. Uh, page have, okay, okay, no problem. Um, let me quickly put down your email address, um, and once we figure out the hosting, the financing procedure, we will let you know. And I remember you want me to shoot your email, right? Please send an email to you. Okay, I just um, uh, send, or you can send to store@btminers.com. Um, you can send us an email, and yeah, and I will keep you posted on the financing procedure. Yes, we are still discussing. Um, okay, understand. because we're still figuring out the detailed procedure and the agreements with the legal team. And also, I like to share some of information of our btminers mobile app. Um, Definitely in the mobile app. Um, okay, let me quickly check my email. And okay, okay, I got it. I got it. Ask her. Yeah, I will write down the email here. Um, and once we have update, we will send you an email and let you know. Um, so yeah, we are developing a mobile app. You can in that mobile app you can check the daily profits. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Um, yeah, um, yeah, we will definitely give you something back by next week. Next week is um, the last week before New Year. So okay, yeah. China team is still working. Um, the U.S. team, I think Lena will back to work on Monday, but um, let me quickly talk with her tomorrow and let's push this forward. Um, so the mobile app is on developing it in the mobile app. Definitely, you can check easily check the daily profits of all the miners, and also um, um, there is a quick question I want to ask. Do you guys know how to use the calculators that on our website, especially the cost calculator? I'm not sure how many people have used that calculator. Um, it's we have a cost calculator for Bitcoin. Ethereum is not mineable, so uh, we need to remove this. Um, Let me put this on the. Okay, so basically, you're using this calculator. You are calculating um, when you're mining um, how much you cost for getting each of the crypto. Definitely, it's uh, okay. We're talking about the cost calculator. If you go to the miner earning um, on our website, there is a cost calculator. Um, it help calculates when you mining at a certain electricity costs and um, what hash rate and power, how much uh, how much you spend on getting the coin. For example, the Bitcoin cost calculator. Let's say if you are using electricity rates of 7 cents US dollars, and you are running at let's say 110 terahash, um, and the power consumption of the S19 Pro. Um, Let me quickly check S19 Pro's parameter, the power consumption. S19 S19 Pro. Um, it's 320 when you mine when if you run at 110 S19 Pro 110 terahash at 7 cents um, per kilowatts electricity costs, your each coin you mine, the cost is um, 13,961 dollars one. The electricity cost you're spent on each of mine each Bitcoin you mine you get. Um, so the it's probably 3,000 lower than the market price right now. Run your ETC calculator. ETC calculator is a little tricky because um, the Apollo V1 is not um, the the Apollo V1 is not calculating correct properly is because um, Apollo V1 is not because we are testing Apollo V1 in mining Ethereum Classic and Zil together. But what we notice is for the Apollo machine could only run Zil at a half hash rate. For example, if Apollo V1 have like 3.6 gig hash running Ethereum Classic. So when it's running Ethereum Classic and Zil, um, Ethereum Classic probably get 3.4 gig hash, and Zil is probably only 1.5 gig hash. So um, run your ETC calculator. I see. Um, um, is you mean ETC earning calculator, right? Let me quickly check. Um, Traits. Um, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Um, it's yeah, it's not calculated correctly. So yeah, we will have our team to fix um, to take a look tomorrow on Monday. Um, it's not working. Let me quickly check. Ah, see. Let me. Uh, it's working now. It's working now. Yeah. Sorry, sorry for the issue. Yeah. X Christmas 2020 code is working now. Give it a try. Um, yeah, Apollo V1 is not be able to run Zil at the full hash rate. We are also talking with the team and try to fix the issue. But we will see. Mhm. D7. What do you guys think of Bitman and miner D7? I know it's a Dashcoin miner. Um, Bitcoin customer. Uh, that's a good question. Let me keep that in notes, and I will get the answer to you by Monday. I don't think Apollo V1 can be overclocked. Um, but yeah, let me check with check with Apollo team, and I'll get back to you on Monday. Yeah, especially in the beer market, if a machine can overclock, it can or switch to a energy efficient mode. It can um, save miners like us a lot of money sometimes. Mm. Huh. Every 30 minutes. Okay. Um, yeah. So if they can set the program to automatically start restart like every 30 minutes. Uh, um, okay. So it can be, I think so. I think so. Let me talk with Apollo and see if they can do something to at least improve the efficiency. So if you have a Apollo V1, you can also try to run the K1 pool yourself to give a try, right? Automatically underclock itself too after a little time, but the machine can be easily overclocked, especially in. Oh, yes. Yes, I think so. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'll keep that in notes, and I will try get you something on Monday. So maybe we can spend some time. Right now it's already like midnight, but yeah, I like to spend some time with you guys. Um, Recently, we can spend some time talk about the recent um, some popular miners recently. I think L7 is quite popular recently. A lot of people buy L7. Um, no doubts, the, because Dogecoin is backed by Elon Musk, um, and Elon Musk also bought a Twitter is really good news um, for Dogecoin, and it add a lot of potential to Dogecoin. Um, so I would say, and I think another good news about Dogecoin and Litecoin mining is, um, I think Bitman are not manufacturing L7. Um, so basically, L7 going to be going to be in short of manufacturing in next few months. So the next batch of L7 is probably going to be um, around June. That's what I heard. So um, once the L7 um, dispatch of the L7 sold out, um, they, there won't be much of L7 left in the market for sale in the next few months. Um, I guess that's a good. L7 now is. I was going to look at the. Oh, really? It's making a new script miner with better hash rate. Oh, that's definitely not a good news. But it's my first time to know this. I will um, I will check my source and try figure. Um, how about those? How about this? Let me try find the time to visit Bitman and talk to the people in person and and see. Yeah, let me see my schedule. Um, Probably not next week. Maybe the week after next week. And also, Beijing. Well, the Bitman headquarters is located. Um, it's having a really bad COVID situation right now. Um, we do not have exact number, but a lot of people died in Beijing because of the COVID. Um, really, 145 watt. I really doubt that. Really, 1.99, which means with 3,000 kilowatts, uh, 3,000 watts, it's going to be 41 gigahash. 41 gigahash. Wow. To be honest, I really don't think. I know L7 is using 7 nanometer TSM TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, fabricates um, the the microchip for L7. Um, so if L7 is using 7 nanometer, technically the next generation going to be 5 nanometer or 3 nanometer. If they use 3 nanometer, um, I would say the energy efficient probably um, be doubled, I guess. So we will see. Fit into a home PC or majority of it's not a full miner. It's like GPU. Oh, huh. Oh, let me look into it. To be honest, I really doubt it, but yes, I will look into it. Local tech, really 0.067 per megahash. Really? Yeah, that's really amazing. Um, but it's still yeah, it's really amazing. But personally, I doubt it. Um, I would looking forward to see if it is real. Um, is that a way? You know what? We will have our team to contact local tech, and um, we will try let us try get some samples, and we will test it out. If it is really that good, we would definitely um, let everybody know. Um, like I said, this is a new company. This is a new product. Um, let we will try get contact them and at least get sample, but um, before we really have them in hand, don't really easily trust a new company because um, okay. Thanks for the information and thanks for your order. Hope you have a good day. Um, so, because I want to tell you one of the story is, um, back in 2017, there is a one type of miners. They say they, excuse me, they say they can generate a very good hash rate with a very like small energy consumption, but it turned out they are just kind of a fake machine. The actual hash rates, um, the setup is pretty much like a regular miner, but the hash rate is not generated from that machine. It's they have they so basically you enter your information, your mining information in this machine, and when the manufacturer get it, they switch the hash rate from the mining pools to your mining pool and let you see you have that much hash rate is running on your account. But when you buy the machine and running for a month, and they just took the hash rate away. So a lot of people get scammed by that guy to get scammed by that way. Um, so I would say be really cautious about all different kind of scams. Um, be really cautious. Um, I think today it's a it's time to put an end to this leave. Thanks everyone. Thanks for all the people, all the friends supporting us. Um, if you guys like this way of leave, um, we will try to have more lives so that we can have a better communication. Um, Again, thanks everyone. Hope you have a nice day and a Merry Christmas. Bye.